Guys, I hope you're safe. Today I'm doing this video due to the urgency of the coronavirus pandemic. So I'm doing this video because some of my patients have been asking me how they can treat mild coronavirus at home. Some of my patients are very upset because when they suspected they have coronavirus or even been tested positive, they go to the ER, they send them home. And they're very upset and scared. So today I'm going to review with you, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can treat mild symptoms at home. So even the World Health Organization, WHO, says home remedies may provide comfort and alleviate symptoms of COVID-19. Before we do that, guys, I'd like you to give me some feedback on the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Give me some tips on how I can improve for future videos. There is also a disclaimer. You can put the video on pause and read it yourself. So guys, let's go briefly over the symptoms, and I'm sure you already know what they are, and this is not all inclusive. So common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, sore throat, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, body ache, loss of taste and smells. Some people even reported GI symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. So guys, what is coronavirus COVID-19? As you already know, it's a respiratory tract infection that can affect your upper respiratory tract, like your sinuses, your nose, and your throat, or your lower respiratory tract, your windpipe, and your lungs. So the virus enters your upper respiratory tract when you breathe in respiratory droplets that have the virus. You get it from an infected person, or you get it from an inanimate object that you touch, and you introduce it through your mouth, your eyes, and your nose. So the virus may stay in your upper respiratory tract and resolve there if you have a strong response, immune response, or it may go down to the lower respiratory system, your lungs, and where it can cause a lot of damage, pneumonia, replicate, and causing a lot of problem for you. So your goal is to stop the virus from replicating or spreading in your body. So one of the symptoms is fatigue. So if you develop mild symptom of the corona disease, COVID-19, treatment is directed at relieving the symptoms. So what you can do, stay home and rest. Stay in a separate room. Isolate yourself. Drink plenty of warm fluid to prevent dehydration. Try not to drink icy water. Also, green tea with lemon and honey. Clear broth. When you're sick, you don't have an appetite, so don't force yourself to eat. If you have muscle ache, headache, or fever, over-the-counter medication such as Tylenol is fine. Remember not to take no more than 4,000 milligrams or 4 grams per day. If you have liver disease, share that information with your healthcare provider. If you're having a dry cough or whatever cough, shortness of breath, congestion, you can use steam. So if you don't have a humidifier, don't worry about it, guys. You can always boil a pot of water and inhale this steam. Be careful not to burn yourself. The steam will loosen the mucus in your throat and your chest. It may reduce discomfort such as the throat, irritating throat, and make it easier for you to breathe. If you have a humidifier, make sure you read the direction on the unit for proper cleaning. Also, a hot shower where you breathe in the steam. That will help you to breathe easier. For sore throat also, you can always gargle salt water. This is an excellent way for loosening mucus and helping fend off bacterial infection. Zinc lozenges with vitamin C that has elderberry. It's excellent for relieving minor pain and inflammation of mucous membrane. This is not my opinion. This is from scientific studies. I always have a bag at home. It's always helpful. You can also use 2 tablespoons of honey in hot water to help soothe and decrease throat inflammation and minor discomfort in your throat. Chamomile tea for soothing irritating throat. You understand, guys? These are some research I done on elderberry, how elderberry can treat influenza, colds, and sinusitis. Guys, this is my prescription for you if you have minor coronavirus. If you suspected you have it, or if you've been treated, if you've been tested positive, you went to the ER, you talked to your doctor, and they told you to stay home. So stay calm, stay home, self-monitor, check your temperature. If you have concerning symptoms, call your healthcare provider. Don't just walk there without an appointment. Call to see if telemedicine is an option. If you have severe symptoms, you can always summon 911. According to the CDC, warning emergency symptoms are difficulty breathing, persistent chest pressure, no confusion or inability to be aroused, bluish lips or face. Guys, mild coronavirus illness or symptom will recover on their own. The majority of people who are tested positive recover from the virus. So stay calm, don't panic. It's okay to feel anxious and scared. We are in the midst of a worldwide pandemic with the entire country, the world shut down. So things you can do, stay well informed, but limit media coverage if you feel overwhelmed. So guys, I cannot make the video too long. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, or if you like me to improve to make it better, let me know in the comment. In the meantime, I wish you well. Take care of yourself. Ciao.